Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Air coming out up here. Some air right here. We got the bolts off, right? Got the full bolts off on the top. Now we're gonna work it from the bottom. I'm not sure if it's clear or not, but yeah, that's it right there though. That's what we doing. So now the top joints is off here. See if I can get that. It's off. Got all the bolts off on the top. We're gonna work this one here on the corner. Then we're gonna start on the bottom. Get this joint out so we can start changing the gasket, bro. Gasket was leaking. That's that first video. And then got a little pinhole right there. You can see this shit straight down. Right there. Sheesh. You can see it right there, pinhole up top. Get that welded. And yeah, change the gaskets, man. Be alright. So, let's get it. Those are the 4 bolts from up top, but you see the whole damn stud came out with 3 of those. So, I'm thinking I might want to get another can of WD-40 and like just spray that in a Tupperware that I could throw away and just let those soak so I could get those bolts off and get some new ones just to make sure I could get them nice and tight. So that might be the next move. Let's see what's up. But yeah, everything coming together, team. All right, team. Y'all see the game plan right now. So I got the rear header, right? This is the rear header. I mean, been through some shit, but it's looking all right. For the most part, I am going to clean off the flanges, clean this shit off, make it look decent. See me, boom, high temp. We're gonna hit this with the ceramic after we get it nice and clean. I'll mask everything off. We're trying to clean some of the bolts just to get the main rust off of these joints. Like I said, the bolts earlier, I'm gonna see if I let them sit with the penetrate, and we'll try and do that. Got the fresh wrap, the titanium header wrap. Got some fresh metal zip ties. Got my dermal so I could cut off the old zip ties, the metal joints that's on here. And we're just gonna clean this up, clean it off. We're gonna paint it, well, mask it off, hit it with some paint just so that'll actually help a little bit more before we hit it with that wrap, baby. So just wanted to keep y'all in the loop. That's what we doing. I'll get my GoPro and have that over my shoulder so you guys can see how we get it popping. But yeah, steel brush, clean that, get it nice and fresh, man. Let's get it. All right, team, rear header off. Boom, found problems. I can see it right there. Crack right here. This one is good all the way around. Just really cut down all of the wrap and was able to spot that and spot that. So take this to the shop, get it welded. Once it's welded, we'll clean it up, make sure we tape everything off, tape off the bone here, tape off the flange here, tape off the flange here. Got the duct tape, and yeah, go and snatch this front one off now and see how bad that joint is looking. See if that needs any repairs, and yeah, coat these shits. Let's go. This is gonna be the joint, you already know. Let's get it. back outside with it. Just wanna see, show y'all what it look like. This shit missing. Yeah, got that whole shit missing back there, baby. So clean that up, make that nice, real nice, and be all right. But we got it. Let's go. Hey team, rear header, front header. Front header actually held up well, but then remember I got this shit welded before, so those held up, but got a little crack right here in the middle. You can see that. So that little joint right there, need that fixed, and the front header would be perfect. And then like I said with the rear, got the cracks in here, so that right there, you can see that. This right here, you can see that. You know what I'm saying? I think we got something down in here, right in there. If they can hit in there, to make sure everything is copacetic. And we should be good, team. That should be it, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, that should be it. So, probably gonna clean this up a little bit more with the brush. And other than that, we'd be good to go. Once these shits is welded, come back, get the paint on, kind of cut the tape to size so it's not protruding anything too crazy. Should be all right. So, finish cleaning and get ready to make my way over to the shop. Let's do it. You already know, we're here at the shop. Waiting for my homie Frank to come in so we can lock and load. It's that time of day, man. Let's get these shits done so I can change clothes and lock in. Ready to get this surfer up and running. All right, team, go time. Let me go get this bread so I can pay this man. We can call it a wrap. He's working on the second one now. Kinda stoked. Have this exhaust all readied up, and we could call it a wrap, team. It's a nice chilly day today, but we gonna do what we do, baby. Let me get this bread so I can pay this man. Be on the way to greatness, baby. Let's do it. Real nice. My man did a good job. Good job. So now we gonna paint it up, baby. It's that time. Get the ceramic on it. That's the other joint. See, you got right here in the middle. That's all I needed. And then we'll be able to wrap this nice and neat. Everything else is wavy. Wavy. Man, bless me, Mom. Oh, shit, he damn sure did bless me. Did this whole joint. Let's get it, Mom. So we in here, team. You already know. Let's get it going. See what it does. Do it like this, and yeah. Let's get it going. Ceramic coating. Real talks, what we need right there. Almost ready. All right, team. About to get in here on the front header. Get that popping. Time to ceramic coat this shit. This is how the other joint came out. This is the rear joint. Came out decent, bro. I mean, all intensive purposes is ceramic coating to help the heating and help with the heat. I'm not looking for it to be perfect. I'm actually about to get ready to wrap this whole shit down to here with my titanium header wrap. Yeah. Let's get it. So wrap that up. And that's how we about to do it, team. Get it popping. Definitely that time of day. Call this shit a wrap. Let that rock for right now. Yeah. Hey team, y'all already know what the vibe is. Getting a wrap on. Looking good for starters, baby. Looking real good. So I didn't want to get all the way down to the base because I wanted to leave some space. So now when I come for this middle one, I'll probably end up just wrapping this whole thing here and taking one solid wrap over this and then around this and tie it up at the bottom. But I'm gonna attack this one next, since this is the easy one to go to here. Try and get that wrap somewhere probably right here. And then with the final straw, we'll get this one, since this is the difficult one, and then just wrap the whole collector and do it like that. The bottom portion is done. Just waiting for that to dry. And once that's nice and dry, we can flip this bitch over and spray paint the other side, get it coated. Yo, be good to go, baby. Be ready to wrap that. You already know how we looking now already. So first metal zip tie on. I'll take these other plastic joints off in a hot minute. I'll cut those off and get the metal joints on there. Put a metal joint up here, get that started. Then where we at? Got my piece right here on the floor by accident, but that's what's gonna go through the middle and the collector. We should be good with the rear joint. Let's go. All right, rear is wrapped. Metal zip tied all the way down to the bottom, whole collector. Everything is looking decent. Probably clean this up a little bit, but other than that, team, we looking quite all right, baby. It's looking like a good wrap all the way to the tip. Let's go. All right, final coat, team. Good to go. Let this shit dry, give it 15-20 minutes. Wrap this shit up, tie it down. You already know what time it is, baby. Let's go for that pre-install. Probably beat it damn near all night from how it's looking. Sun going down, so we'll have some fun. But let's go though. I'm with it though. All right, let's go, team. We wrapped. I need to get one more stainless steel joint. This last joint was faulty as hell. My shit's somewhere in the trash joint there, but just zip tied it to hold it for right now. I'll probably pick up a couple more, whatever. Order another pack just to have it. And I know I'll be able to get to this one. That's not a problem. I wish I would have swapped it and had it on this one. But either way in the front, I'll be able to get it. Not a problem. So we wrapped. Let's go. Let's bag it up. Let's go install it. Let's do it. All right, team, we in here. Front header on. Y'all already see nighttime type shit. We in here. Night grind. Headers on. I got the bolts on. I just gotta tighten all of them down. You see they still loose. I had them on finger tight. Get these joints on there. So all the bolts is on finger tight. Yeah, just want to keep y'all in the loop, bro. Tighten these shits down. Put the radiator fans back in. Then we can move to the back. Get the 3 studs and that one bolt, get those all in nice and tight in there with the new gasket. Keep it pumping. Let's go, baby. No. Fresh. All right, team, we in here. So fans and Teflon tape for the bolts for the radiator. We'll bolt the upper radiator hose up, get everything connected up front. We looking good for the most part now. We can focus on the back, jack this shit up, and focus on the bottom. Let's go. All right, team, let's see. Should have all the bolts, everything in there. Should be a good look. All right, team, that should be it. That should be the whole kit and caboodle. Tighten this joint back here. I don't know if it'll let me see, but should be it. Everything looks tight. Gonna just go over every bolt one more time just to make sure everything is nice and snug. And we should be good, team. You already know, change focus. We good. Let's go. We good. Just wanted to show y'all. Definitely have one bolt loose. We want to make sure everything's tight right now. Yeah, team, needless to say, we up and running, baby. Sounding good. Bleeding the system. Looking all right. Check everything pockets and stuff. You see the line is starting to solid up. Like you don't see that many pockets or that many gaps. So starting to get all the air out the system. Again, when you're doing this, getting the air out your system, you want to have your heat on high, max level for the fan, and be good to go. But looking all right. Pushing that last little bit of air out. Yeah. Yeah, there we go, squad. So let this joint finish up and yeah, do the swap over. Take it for a quick drive. Sounding healthy. Sounding super healthy. Like, what's up? Like, what's up? Squad. We got everything up and running. You can see it's daybreak outside. Like, fucking tired, bro. Been at this shit all night, all morning, past 2 days, trying to get everything set up, only because we're supposed to get the only like snow rain mix. So I'm like, the last thing I need is having to worry about the V. So got that out the way. The car sounds amazing. Like, it really sounds really good how it's supposed to. I can't wait to take it for a drive. But just as of right now, I am letting the coolant cool down so I can take my contraption off. So I can put back on the reservoir hose and should be good to go. Take this bitch for a drive. You already know, team. Stay locked in.